Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50's Skincare. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to boost collagen literally by pinching very carefully, obviously, onto the skin. We're going to do some lymphatic drainage massage release at the end so we can also remove all the toxins and waste within the facial area. So first things first, I do like to start off with clean skin, and I am using, here we are, a little bit of facial oil, just so we're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling. Now I'm using a rosehip oil here, which is fairly natural. I try to go as natural and organic as possible rather than using anything too synthetic. So I'm just applying the oil, first of all along the facial area and under the jawline, and also not forgetting the neck. So what we're going to do, we're going to first of all take our fingers and we're just very gently, from the collarbone, we're just very gently lifting upwards. And this is very light. Now, if you do have long nails, you can always, instead of using your points of your fingers, you can just use almost the sides, which actually would be sort of less, would, you'd less dig in, if you like. And so this is actually quite good to just lift up in an upwards motion, just gently doing a light pinch, stimulating collagen and elastin within the skin, particularly as we get older and we start to lose collagen and elastin. Again, just working up now where this big SEM muscle is here, doing a little bit more of a pinch at this part. And the SEM muscle is at the side of the neck here. And then again, heading towards the ears of this part here. And then again, just gentle, very light pinching. Obviously, you don't want to go too heavy, you don't want to be bruising yourself. So let's come up to the jawline here. So just very gently pinch slowly, all the way to the ears. So again, onto the chin area. Working all the way along towards the ears. And then above the chin and the jawline, again, just working our way. And then between the thumb under the chin, fingers between the nose and the mouth, there's just a pinch here. And then lower part of the face. Again, nice and gentle. If you do have a little bit of readiness, obviously it soon goes. Just blood flow and circulation. So now where the nose is, we're just going to come under the cheeks here. I like to take my fingers and almost put them into a hook shape and just literally place and hold. So really under that cheek area. And then where the cheek is above here, and also where the eye area is, you have to be very careful with the eyes. The skin around the eyes is very delicate and fine, so I'm just very lightly pinching in an upwards motion. So placing my thumb and my finger, instead of drawing down, so you don't never want to draw down, just lifting up with the thumb. And then if you like, you can just do a little tiny pinch on the bone here. Again, working in an outwards motion. We always tend to forget the nose, so if you can just pinch on the nose here, and then just work upwards to between the eyebrows. Particularly getting older, you tend to find you tend to get larger pores, particularly around the nose area. And then lifting slowly upwards. So now where the eyebrows are, we're just going to pinch between the eyebrows and then working our way along. Automatic eyebrow lift. And you want to go fairly gentle here. Again, the skin under the eyebrows is very fine and delicate. Now when it comes to the forehead area, we don't have so much fat, if you like, so it's very difficult to pinch, but if you can just very slowly from literally between the eyes and then work our way upwards. And if you keep the shoulders nice and relaxed, it's very easy to hoik them up. Helping collagen within the forehead area. So once we've done that, I'm interlocking my fingers here and I'm just very gently gliding now by the forehead. And what we're doing here, we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, which is very close to the surface of the skin. And then under the eyebrows here with the ring finger. And then under the eyes. Very light, delicate touch. Cheeks. Lower part of the face. Smoothing everything out. Heading from the nose and the mouth area towards the ears. Then thumbs placed under the chin, fingers above, just gently gliding along the jawline. One of my favourite moves. And again, because we've applied a facial oil to our face, everything's going to penetrate in even better and deeper. And we have a nice glide, so we're not dragging and pulling at the skin. And then from the collarbone, just lifting upwards under the jawline towards the ears and down the big SEM muscle. So lifting up along the jawline, and then you want to make almost like a scissor-like motion either side of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes and move down to the collarbone. Let's do this again, across and one last time, up and down the big SEM muscle down to the collarbone. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste. We've moved within this facial area to really help build collagen and also reduce those toxins and waste. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up. Tell me where you're from and if there's any other massage exercises or facial yoga or lymphatic drainage or fascia work you'd like me to share with you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.